The ocean is a huge and mysterious place where many different creatures live. One of the most powerful and smart animals in the ocean is the orca, also known as the killer whale. Orcas are not afraid of anything, not even the fearsome great white shark. They hunt and fight with the sharks, showing how amazing and complex life in the ocean can be. You might have a small garden where you grow flowers and vegetables. Sometimes you can hear a buzzing sound coming from the plants. That is the sound of honeybees, who are very hard-working and important for the environment. Honeybees fly from flower to flower, collecting nectar and pollen. They use these to make honey and wax in their hives. Honeybees do not live very long, only a few weeks or months, but they do a lot of good things for the plants and the people. They remind us that nature has its cycles of life and death. When you think of dangerous animals, you might think of sharks, snakes, or lions. But did you know that one of the most harmful animals to humans is the cow? Cows look calm and gentle, but they can be very aggressive and unpredictable. They can attack people with their horns, hooves, or teeth and cause serious injuries or even death. Cows kill more people than sharks every year, which is a surprising fact that changes how we see danger in the animal world. The desert is a dry and hot place, where water and plants are scarce. Camels are animals that can live well in the desert, because they have special features that help them survive. One of these features is their teeth, which are not only for eating but also for fighting. Male camels have long and sharp teeth that they use to bite and injure other males, especially during the mating season. They do this to show their strength and dominance, and to win the females. This is a fierce side of camels that contrasts with their peaceful image. Ferrets are small and furry animals that are often kept as pets. They are related to weasels and otters, and they are very playful and curious. Ferrets have a special time of the year when they mate, which is very important for female ferrets. If a female ferret does not mate, she can get very sick and die. This is because her body produces too much estrogen, a hormone that can cause problems in her blood and organs. This is a harsh reality of nature that female ferrets have to face. Lobsters are sea animals that have a hard shell and claws. They are popular as food, but they also have some interesting features that make them unique. One of these features is their brain, which is not located in their head, but in their throat. This is a strange and unusual way of having a brain, which is different from most other animals. Lobsters also have nerves in other parts of their body, such as their stomach and tail. This is an example of how evolution can create different kinds of anatomy. The savanna is a large and flat area of land where grasses and trees grow. Many animals live in the savanna, such as elephants, lions, and zebras. Some of the smallest animals in the savanna are frogs, which need water to survive. Some frogs have found a clever way of finding water in the savanna by using the footprints of elephants. Elephants are the largest animals in the savanna, and they leave big marks on the ground when they walk. These marks can fill with water when it rains and become small pools for the frogs. The frogs can hide and breed in these pools, which are safe from predators. This is a way of how nature can be ingenious. The desert is a very hot and dry place where many animals have to adapt to survive. Scorpions are animals that can live in the desert because they have a hard shell and a venomous sting. They use their sting to catch and kill their prey, such as insects and spiders. But sometimes, scorpions can lose their sting, which can be very dangerous for them. This can happen when they fight with other scorpions or when they get injured or infected. Without their sting, scorpions cannot hunt or defend themselves, and they can die of hunger or attack. This is a challenge that scorpions have to overcome in the harsh desert. Meerkats are small and furry animals that live in groups called colonies. They are very social and cooperative, and they help each other with finding food, digging burrows, and watching out for predators. Meerkats have a strict way of organizing their colonies, which is based on a hierarchy. A hierarchy is a system where some individuals have more power and authority than others. In meerkat colonies, there is usually one female leader who is the boss of the group. She decides who can mate and who cannot, and she can punish those who disobey her. She does this to keep the colony under control and to prevent conflicts. This is a strict rule that meerkats have to follow.